ka na.
Ayaw niya kasi yun.
Si Mad. Ayaw! Asan ka? Happy birthday to you! Ay! Mulat mo. Ay! Pinagay ko sa akin. Happy birthday! What is this, graduation? Blow, blow, blow.
Wish, wish, wish.
Wait.
Uy, wala pa nga.
Pakita mo yung pagkain.
Ay, something. Sabi ko kay Alan. Ala ka! Wow, ang surprise!
Madish.
Naka-record na yun, di ba?
Okay, let's go next door. Group picture.
Group mo siya na. Tadi ka, bisa.
Sabi niya mamaya na daw.
Mag-wish ka. Mag-wish ka. Dito.
Balancing.
Balance.
Balance.
Lovely. Smile, Charmaine. Ayos. Okay na.
She's looking at. Wala. So,
Malipay, Jollibee. Yan, yan ang tips eh.
One box spicy, one box mix.
Mama siya favorite.
wow! May picture! Wala! Oh, we got pictures! Oh, Mama! Mama! Would we take picture for Mama also?
Yellow, okay.
Tiba Luna.
Wow! So nice!
Tiba Luna. Mami.
Hello, I was surprised with this.
Birthday.
Parang na-surprise ka ba sa Jollibee? I was expecting only the flowers,
Ah,
Madam.
the man was very good.
Only the flower, maybe, because it's like a fern and something petals. So,
Yeah, yeah.
maybe Madam just sent for the flowers.
Huh.
But I didn't expect this one. Oh, Mama!
He called me, no answer. I said, oh, come on.
I'm inside the church that time.
Yeah. So